Good afternoon. Welcome to mathematics class for today. Today we shall be looking at the topic order of operations, and we'll be making use of BODMAS. Without BODMAS, order of operation will not be effective, and it's not to be simplified. So with the use of BODMAS, the operation is going to be very easy and straightforward. Before I take you on some examples, I would love to tell you the meaning or the full meaning of this BODMAS. The B, as you can see it on the screen, the B stands for bracket, O is off, D is division, M is multiplication, A is addition, and the S is subtraction. And let's look at the examples we are having on the screen. Example 1, we have a bracket 24 divided by another bracket 2 plus 6, close the bracket, divided by 3. And number 2, we have 10 times, open the bracket, 8 minus 3 multiplied by 2. Now let us start by solving these examples with the use of BODMAS. The first one is 24 divided by, open another bracket, 2 plus 6, then close the brackets, open another one, then divided by 3. Now, for us to follow the order of operation, we have to solve the bracket inside, the small bracket inside. So it's going to be, you still maintain the brackets here, which is 24 divided by, then 2 plus 6, that gives us 8. Then you close. So we have solved this. We've solved the smaller bracket, which has 2 plus 6. It has given us 8. So divided by 3. So we are following the order of operation. Having done that, then we solve the bracket again, which is 24 divided by 8. It gives us 3. So divided by the 3 outside, which gives us 1. So it's as simple as that. That takes us to example 2. In example 2, we have 10 multiplied by, open the bracket, 8 minus 3, close the bracket, multiply by 2. So we need to solve the brackets, because in the BODMAS, B represent the bracket and bracket comes first. So we have to solve the bracket first. That is 10 times 8 minus 3, that gives us 5. Then multiply by the 2. So we have one operation left. So we can decide to solve 10 times 5 first, or 5 times 2 first, any one, since it is one operation. So we can say 10 times 5, that gives us 50. Then multiply by 2. That gives us 100. So that is example 2. Let me give you one more example. Let me get another question that is more complicated. Number 3, let's say we have, open the bracket, 8 raised to power 2 multiply by 4 raised to power 2, then close your bracket, multiply by square root of 36. Now, by the order of operation, we have to solve the bracket first, which is 8 times 8 multiplied by 4 times 4. So multiply by square root 36. So you have to show it in order, and it has to be step by step. 8 times 8, that gives us 64. Remember, still in bracket. Don't let us forget, you're still in bracket. So 8 times 8 is 64, then multiply by 4 times 4. That gives us 16. So multiply by the square root of 36. Are we together? Now, having done that, then you move on to multiply 64 times 16. That gives us 1000. Okay, 1024. Then you multiply it by what is the square root of 36. Square root of 36 is 6. And you multiply it by 1024. That gives us 6001.